Welcome to the installation instructions for Cretus ColorChip TS. ColorChip TS is a two-coating system that can be installed in a single day. This video will detail the process for preparing, mixing, and installing these coatings. It consists of a pigmented epoxy base coat with a single broadcast of vinyl chips and a clear polyaspartic top coat. Pay close attention and follow these instructions exactly. First, prepare the concrete by grinding it to remove any previous coatings or imperfections, and opening it up to bond with the epoxy. Using a large diamond cutting floor grinder for the larger open areas and a small hand grinder for the perimeter and around obstructions. Sweep or vacuum up all dust and debris that remains. Use a grinding wheel to open up any cracks in the concrete. Using Cretus Top Shelf Epoxy Easy Patch, blend equal parts A and B. Mix and fold the material on a clean and flat surface until the color is consistent throughout. Fill and smooth over cracks and joints completely. Since the coating that will be applied over the Easy Patch is also an epoxy, you do not need to wait for the Easy Patch to cure and can proceed immediately to the base coat. Set up a mix station with tarps, rags, buckets, paint sticks, and a drill with a mixing paddle. The epoxy base coat consists of 1 gallon of pre-pigmented Part A and 1/2 gallon of Part B. Start by blending the Part A for 2 minutes or until color is uniform. Pour into a clean 5-gallon bucket and add 1/2 gallon of Part B. Mix for 2 minutes. Pour a small amount of the epoxy in a bucket and brush along the perimeter stem walls and around obstructions. Pour the material in lines across the concrete and spread using a flat flexible or 8 to 12 mil squeegee. Wearing spiked shoes and using a 3/8 inch non-shed nap roller that is 18 inches wide, back roll over the material to level it. Using long continuous motion will create fewer roller marks. Follow behind with another roller and cross roll in the opposite direction with light, long, continuous motions to completely eliminate roller lines. Fill smaller buckets with desired vinyl color chips. Wearing spiked shoes, broadcast chips across the entire floor to refusal. Use this chart to determine how much dry time you'll need to plan for and allow. Dry times are different for each Part B. The Part B that you choose is determined by the moisture vapor emission rate in the concrete and the temperature and humidity at the time of application. While the product is drying, pull tape around perimeter and clean all tools. After the recoat window has passed, use a scraper to knock loose any chips that haven't bonded to the coating. Use a floor sander to smooth and open the epoxy. Collect the loose chips, dust, and debris with leaf blowers, vacuums, and brooms. For the top coat, we'll choose Polyaspartic 92 Low Odor. In a clean bucket, blend 1 gallon of unpigmented Part A and 1 gallon of unpigmented Part B. Mix for 2 minutes. Brush material around the perimeter, up stem walls, into corners and around drains, pipes, and other obstructions. Pour the material in lines across the floor and spread using a flat flexible squeegee. Wearing spiked shoes and using a 3/8 inch non-shed nap roller that is 18 inches wide, back roll over the material to level it. Using long continuous motion will create fewer roller marks. Follow behind with another roller and cross roll in the opposite direction with light, long continuous motions to completely eliminate roller lines. Allow to cure protected from any wind that might blow debris onto the coating, as it could become bonded into the top coat and require repair. Allow the coating to cure for a minimum of 36 hours before allowing any foot traffic. This completes the Cretus Epoxy TS system application. Your customers can now enjoy a stylish, durable, and long-lasting concrete coating for years to come. Thank you for your attention to this video and for choosing Cretus International Coatings.